Hi everyone, here we've got HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open your Play Store and let's tap on this three bars icon. Now let's choose My Apps and Games. And here, as you can see, we've got all updates pending. We've got 4 updates which are waiting and some recently updated apps. Of course, you can update all of that apps simply by tapping on this Update All button. But if you want to update only one of it, then simply tap on the update right next to the app you want to update. So let me update, for example, Google. Click on update, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the very top of the list, and now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and updated. So that's all. This is how to update apps in your HAFURY Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.